Did you know that a single ritual, repeated long enough, stops feeling like a choice and starts feeling like breathing? For 40 years, he walked the same stone path before dawn. 40 years of cold air, dim lanterns, and the great bell answering the silence. Not once did he fail it. This morning, his hands found the rope the way they always had, but his arms would not rise. He stood there, still, listening to the quiet where the bell should have been. And something strange happened. He did not panic. He did not grieve. He simply asked himself a question he had never needed to ask before. Am I the one who rings the bell? Or am I 40 years of ringing built inside me? Because if you are only your function, then the day your body stops is the day you disappear. But if the practice carved something deeper into you, something patient and unshaken, then nothing has been lost, only revealed. The bell does not define the monk. The monk carries the bell within him long after his arms go quiet. Follow Silent Resolve for more anime life lessons.